Ooh, jump scare. This is a frightening sight, to say the least. I'm actually shook. Nails are so busted. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Raya. Literally a lash in my eye. And in today's video, we're doing an extreme glow up because I need it, okay? I'm going on a trip tomorrow to Toronto and she needs to get it together. So today I have 3 appointments. There's just a lot of stuff to do today in order to achieve this glow up. So the first step today is to go and get a silk press. My first ever silk press, which is basically like getting my hair straight. Whenever I use a straightener on myself, it gets frizzy. It like doesn't look good. So I told myself I'm not straightening my hair anymore because why am I damaging it to have it look bad? But this is my last hope, okay? So I'm gonna try the silk press, get it professionally done, see if I can have that silky, smooth, straight hair that everyone else has because I'm jealous. So fingers crossed that it works out. And yeah, I'm really excited. Let's head over to that appointment right now. As you can see before, my hair is crazy. So I need this. Let's go. You guys, this is the glow up in itself. It's all done. Are you kidding? I did not even know that my hair could look like this and be that, like, I'm actually shook. This is dangerous. I'm gonna be getting silk presses all the time. Are you kidding? My hairstylist ate with this. Like, this is the best my hair has ever looked. This man is watching me take this video. And yeah, this is insane. And now we're gonna go get our lashes done, our nails done. Guys, somebody's gonna have to stop me. Oh, are you? Absolutely. Okay, you guys, we are about to head into my lash appointment. So this is the lashes before. Quite literally 3 lashes holding on for dear life. And I can't wait to have a fresh set. Let's go. See Maya, my bestie, doing my lashes. Say hi.
Hey y'all.
My lash tech. We're doing mega classic set. That's my favorite set to do.
Yeah.
So. Yay! Pretty much done. I'm gonna come back so she can fill the inner corners. But so cute. And I have to go to my nails and then come back. So. Okay, so I have to go back and she's gonna finish my inner corners, but it's time to go get my nails done. My nails are so busted, missing this finger and this finger. So yeah, let's go. I'm gonna do a dark red, fall vibes. Guys, I already feel glowed up. Lashes all done.
Thanks, Maya. Yeah, no problem, baby girl.
They look so good. Oh, hell yeah.
Oh, they look really cute. I do my part. Like, I always do my thing, but I
Feeling really cute. Here are the finished lashes. They look so good. The hair and the nails we're giving right now. Okay, hello you guys. We are back to continue the glow up session. I'm in Toronto now because I have a concert tonight. Raven Lene, if you don't know who that is, search her up. She's the best and I can't wait. But we gotta get ready now. So I need to do my eyebrows. My skin is so greasy right now. They need some fixing up. So I'm gonna fix these brows up. And then I'm going to take a shower, a little everything shower, and do some makeup. Let's get these brows done. Make sure that you clean your tweezers. Obviously, that might just be common sense, but I break out so easy. Like, every time that I do my brows, I break out. So I need to really make sure that everything's clean so that that doesn't happen. And I'm doing my brows now, and then I'm gonna wash my face in the shower, so we should be good. Fingers crossed, but they're not too bad. I really just need to do some plucking. So it's so hard to film this, so I'm gonna do it off camera and I'll just show you the results. Okay, so after plucking, I take one of these dermaplane razors and I just clean up around the brows, and just allows me to get a little bit more precise. Okay, the final step is brushing all the hairs up and then snipping them with some scissors. And then the brows are done. I'm about to hop into the shower. We're about to shave our legs, exfoliate, moisturize, do everything. I think I need to take like a lukewarm shower so I don't mess up my silk press, but we've got it all wrapped and ready to go. First order of business before we do our makeup is some Soap Blanc, a crisp Soap Blanc, of course. These are the vibes. It is now makeup time. Time to beat this face, to wet my beauty blender, and let's begin. I'm not trying to do anything too crazy, just really nice base. I did get this new MAC Costa Riche eyeliner that is supposed to make your brown eyes pop, so I'm excited to try her out. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to try out the Costa Riche eye pencil and see what the tea is. Is she making the eyes pop? Can't really tell right now. I'm gonna do a nice pinky skin look, pinky blush, because the dress I'm wearing has lots of pink. It's gonna be cute. It will. It's gonna be too dark. Road Piggy. Brow time. Makeup done. Nice and cute and pinky to match my dress. What do you think? Thank you. So now I have to fix up my hair a little bit and then put on my dress, and then we're good to go. It's now time for an outfit. I know exactly what dress I'm gonna wear, so let me get it. Here she is from Kai. I've been waiting to wear this, and it's gonna look so cute. This is the dress. It comes with this little scarf. And here's the fit. The only dilemma is the shoes. Boots or a sandal. Here's the finished look, and now we're headed to the concert.
She cannot wait, she's dying. I'm so excited.